Welcome back guys to another episode. In today's video we're gonna be changing the upper torque rod. So that piece here, it's an engine mount theoretically, and IPD makes a beautiful one with reinforced bushings, polyurethane. So that's what we're gonna be doing. It is extremely straightforward. We're talking like 3-4 bolts at max and that's it. First thing we're gonna be doing is removing that bolt here. Then the whole coolant reservoir just slides out. So you can see here there's a slider. So it slides out. You get it out of the way, then you remove that bolt and that bolt. That's it. You put the new one, put it back. That's all there is. So it's gonna be a super quick video. So you can see here that it's out of its place. I'm gonna go towards the front, do the rear bolt. I'm gonna go towards the front, do the rear bolt, and then the same. So towards the back, move it, do the front bolt. That's all there is to it. So here's the replacement. It's way better looking. It's billet, and look, full polyurethane compared to this one, which has a bunch of free space, and usually they are cracked without you even knowing. It's too soft, so I'm gonna be installing that. There you go, it's installed. Beautiful. It's gonna be way better driving the car. Really pops under the hood. So you can actually see, I'm gonna put it against the light so you can see here, look, it was cracked. Whenever it's installed there's weight on it so you don't see it, but look how cracked it is. Even the underside is cracked a lot, look. It's really hard to show you. I hope it picks up on the camera. Look at the bottom. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Please consider subscribing and liking the video, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you and bye bye.